To clean coffee stains on carpet or upholstery, start by mixing 1/4 teaspoon or 1.2 milliliters of dish soap with 1 cup or 240 milliliters of warm water. Blot the stains with the solution using a paper towel. Then let the solution sit for 5 minutes. Finish by blotting the area with a paper towel soaked in clean water to get rid of any soap residue. For stubborn stains, mix 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of ammonia. Apply the solution to the stain with a paper towel and place plastic wrap and something heavy on top of the area. After 2 to 3 hours, remove the plastic wrap and blot the area with clean water. Alternatively, if you're trying to get coffee stains out of clothes, start by rinsing the stains with cold water. Then, work some laundry detergent into them and let it sit for 5 minutes. Finally, rinse the detergent off with cold water.